Grace, and today I'm making a video because I came back from camping a while ago, but I just got this really bad sore throat. And actually, this is really heartwarming to me because we went to a place called Fort Flagler. If you don't know what that is, it is a place where the old army bunkers used to be, like army bases where they used to have war and everything. So they made it so it's like a tourist attraction. So me and my friends and my younger family members and teenage family members, stuff like that. We all went hide and seek in this big bunker, and I was sitting in the room. All of a sudden, a little baby swallow, because there were so many nests, little baby swallows trying to fly. So it's like it flew into walls right in front of my face. So I felt the wing get my nose a little bit. So it ran to the wall, turned around, started hopping along my hand. So I scooched it up. It came back on my hand, and the next thing I know, it was on my lap. So they couldn't find me. So they yelled, "Ollie, Ollie, oxen free!" So I just scooped it up in my hands, and I put it down, and I ran up the stairs and, "Hey guys, I'm here!" And then I never told them where I was hiding because they never asked. In that little place, there was a little bird at the end of the hall. I wasn't even in my hiding place yet. He flew towards me. So I moved out of the way because I didn't want him to hit me. I don't know. Then he flew on my foot, so I scooped him up, and then he did this. He just snuck up against my chest. I'm like, "Oh my god, you're so cute, so cool." So then, in the middle of the game, I'm like, okay, I cannot keep this thing. I wait till a couple of people were found. There's two people, my stepsister and her cousin, got found together because they were hiding together. Like, a couple minutes later, I heard them talking. I'm like, okay. So I scooped up the bird, and I'm like, "Guys, I'm not going to play anymore." And then I was halfway up the stairs. They were with our dog, our new dog. So our new dog was with them. So I heard them barking. I'm like, "Oh shoot, our dog!" So I tried blocking him like this so the dog wouldn't see him. He hopped up on this arm and said, "Nope." And I kept on doing it like stairs. So I did this to my elbow. So I did this. I'm like, "Guys, I don't want to play. There's something on my arm, and I don't think it wants to get off." And then, my stepsister's cousin came and said, "Guys, I may have a bird on my arm." So I showed them, and she was so impressed. Then at the end of the game, we walked to the forest ranger station, and we came to him. There's actually a porch made for baby birds. It's a little fenced in. The bird was really, really chubby. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I had to say. I absolutely had to say it. Then I started looking up at my TV up there. It's TV. I don't know if you can see it. TV! Anyway, so, yeah. They had a little porch for baby birds. And then they came back a couple weeks later. Oh my god. It could fly. It landed on my head. I was like, "Oh my god, you're so cute." I couldn't keep it. I was kind of sad about it, but also happy. So I wanted to tell you guys this. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time.